This week on Smoke Break, we're going to be talking about donations, giveaways, and stuff like that. Discount codes. Stay tuned. So the biggest thing for small businesses is support. When you got customers coming to you and buying your products and supporting you, sharing posts, doing whatever that they can, doesn't even necessarily have to spend money, but just some way of supporting. It means the world to us, right? That's our bread and butter. That's how we pay our bills. I'm not looking to buy my 5th mansion out in Hawaii or anything like that. I'm looking to pay my hydro. I'm looking to pay my phone bill. I'm looking to put food on the table for the kids, stuff like that. So, when we do donations, small businesses doing donations all through the year, it's, we're literally taking food off our plates. We're taking merch or products or whatever it may be and just giving it. So we're losing money in this transition, in this transaction. We can't support everybody that comes asking for free stuff, unfortunately. As much as we would all love to, believe me, we would. Beginning of the year, usually small businesses give out more. By the end of the year, you kind of met your quota. You can only give so much to be a tax write-off. So it's not easy to pick and choose and to do these things. Same with giveaways and stuff like that. We can only do so many giveaways. We can only give away so much product before it affects our bottom line. I personally love doing giveaways on my pages. It shows customer appreciation, right? Everybody keeps buying my products. Maybe somebody new wants to try them, doesn't really want to spend the money. I don't mind doing a giveaway here and there. If I could, I would run them all the time, but unfortunately, that's just not the way business works. Same with sales. I would love to have constant sales, constant discount codes on my website, but thing is again, that's taking away. Unfortunately, we just can't do that. At markets, I tend to do a couple % off if you buy more than one bottle. I'm going to try and figure that one out online too, so that when you purchase more bottles, you get a discount based on the size of purchase that you get. As of right now, there's a couple of discount codes up that you might see, you might not. Also, all my ambassadors, they all have discount codes to help everybody out. So make sure you check them out. People always want us to just give. And I get a lot of people that have never purchased my products, have never supported my pages, have never done anything, that come to me and ask me to give to their cause. I'm sorry, but that's not really the way it works. It's, a give and take thing. You show me support, I show you support. That's, for most small businesses, that's kind of how it works. I don't know how everybody else runs it, but it seems like a kind of standard to me. And I get it. Small businesses are a little more costly than going to the grocery store and getting your generic brand. You can go buy Clubhouse or, whatever kind of seasonings that you want. And yeah, you'll pay like $3-4 a bottle. But what's in the bottle? Can you pronounce half of those ingredients? When you buy from guys like me or guys like Travis over at Rave Barbecue or Marty at 1908, you read those ingredients, you can pronounce all of them. There's no chemicals, there's no fillers, there's no preservatives, there's nothing. It's spices. And that's why our cost is higher. Not to mention, we're not dumping out the volume that some of these big businesses are. It's just a numbers game. But the thing is those big businesses like that, they're not the ones supporting your hockey teams. They're not the ones donating prizes for your kids' hockey tournament or a wedding social or anything like that. I guarantee you, if you go to Walmart and ask them, can you get some free stuff from Clubhouse? The answer is going to be no. So yeah, you know what? We do charge a little more. But We have better ingredients, there's no chemicals and fillers, and we support the communities that we're in. I know personally, I support many surrounding communities and even reaching out outside of province. I try and support as many businesses as I can, as many programs as I can, as long as I believe in the cause myself. I do what I can. Unfortunately, it's never enough. I mean, you can always give more, but you have to draw the line somewhere. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, the more small businesses you support, whether it's a little more costly or not, in the end, we support you. We give to your charities, your donations, your causes. All we ask, even if you don't spend money, share a post, like a post, comment, because it grows with the algorithm of social media. It expands our audience. You might not need to purchase something, but you know what? Maybe somebody you know does. You share something on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever it may be. Maybe you've got a friend who's in the market for something, looking, and when you share it, they go, oh, it's a trickle effect. So, the more small businesses you support, the more these small businesses can support you. I mean, I know that's how I work. I try and buy everything from small businesses as much as I can. Just because being a small business owner, I know the struggle. So, that being said, this holiday season coming, go out and support your local small businesses. Buy from the little guy. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. So with that being said, I want to know, what small businesses do you support? What are your favorite products? Food related, merch, clothing, whatever it may be, knitting. I want to know, what's the small businesses that you absolutely love, that you will absolutely always support every single time, every chance that you get? Because me personally, I love finding new small businesses. You never know what you're going to need. So let me know in the links down below or in the comments down below. Share your stories, share the products. Let me know. Till next time.